How to fix you have not verified your Apple ID error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix you have not verified your Apple ID error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So you get this error as it says in the error itself, you have not yet verified your Apple ID. Now, if you want to verify your Apple ID, all you have to do is simply get the verification code in your email and then type that in your verifications page. So after you do that, you'll get verified. To do that, all you have to do is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, head over to your Apple ID on the top. After you tap on it, you can then head over to sign in and security. And after you're on your sign in and security, you should be able to see an option where you get verification. So on the bottom, you'll get an option to verify. Tap on it, and after that, you can head over to your email where you will be getting an option, or you'll be getting simply a verification code. And all you have to do is type that in the pop-up you get when you begin verification. After you type the code in, you'll get verified and you're basically good to go. After your Apple ID gets verified, you can start doing whatever you were doing previously, such as downloading an app or simply using your iPhone. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.